Go home happy with the 2016 Audi Q5. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a well-appointed Q5 that offers high-end style, a smooth, controlled ride, rock-solid feel, and progressive technology. Well-rounded and powerful, this vehicle instills confidence and enjoyment wherever the road may lead. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, all-wheel drive, heated front seat, intermittent wipers, floor mats, tire pressure monitoring system, four-wheel ABS. Refined style meets can-do capability in this captivating Q5. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.